Kung gusto mong ma-achieve yung malajening balikat, panoorin mo tong video na to. This is the part 7 of our February diaries. And for today, papakita ko sa inyo yung workout routine ko. Very easy lang to guys, kaya sundan nyo. Alam nyo ba guys, ang ginagawa to ng mga K-pop idols and ng mga Japanese girlies? Next is wall press. Make sure na yung hands nyo mas magkalayo para mas stretch. Do all of this for like 60 seconds. Medyo nakakahingal to guys, pero very easy. What you can do guys is pwede kayong humiga para mas intense. That's it guys for my shoulder routine, and you guys should give this a try. And ayun, tapos na nga ako kaya inayos ko lang tong mini makeup bag ko. Should give this a try yung Pond's BB powder. Very good siya, mabango and long lasting. I also have here my mini perfume. Ayan, this smells like a baby. Sobrang bango. Spray this. And marami pa itong lagayan guys actually. Meron pa here sa likod. So, lalagay ko pa dito yung mga brushes ko. I'm also just checking my cluster lashes. Ang tagal ko na itong hindi nagagamit. But, look at this. I love this so much. And, hindi ko alam kasi kung feel ko siya or parang mas feel ko yung do-in wispy lashes. Ayan o. Marami akong lashes dito. Gulo-gulo na sila. And after that, guys, nagplan na ako for my upcoming trip. And kung umabot ka sa part na to, thank you so much for watching. Again, this is Kat here. Meow! See you tomorrow!